What's going on, everybody? So today we are on another magnet fishing video. So today we are doing a magnet retrieval. Well, today I will be attempting a magnet retrieval. The other day, well, last year to be exact, I lost a magnet right here in the water. But whenever I lost it, it was stuck in the water.
Stuck, mate.
Yeah, I'm stuck, lad.
You're stuck? What do you mean you're stuck? Where you can't, that way you can't say that.
No, sir. Oh, release. I'm not throw this again.
Watch your boat over there, sir. See the boat? Hear music up here on it, you know?
Boom, it's stuck again.
Hear music up here on it. Me tell you, I'm here, man.
Boom, lad, the magnet stuck now.
What do you mean it's stuck?
Can't lose the magnet today. Can take a pull. Hard pull. Nah, come off. I'm try find a direction this time. So now I am here once more to retrieve it out the water, and yeah, basically that. So this is what we're going to use to get the magnet from the water. This is an underwater drone. The name says it all. I don't think I have to explain to you what it do, because the name says it all. So we'll use this so we can get eyes in the water and see if we can locate the drone and possibly retrieve it. Yeah. All right. So this will be my nice dynamic. So this will be my second attempt with a drone here. Come and do a test shot today.
You know. Off. Alright. You just dash in the water?
Yeah.
And then you just pull it up back with it, string?
Yeah. All right. It's time to put this inside the water. So I do a screen recording here, so that way there, you can see what's going on the screen, because outside so bright, you can't see what's going on the screen. Alright, drop it in now. Yeah, throw it out. Yeah. Alright, we are in. Alright, watch out. You go on the ground. Yeah. Up, go up. Now come up.
First me see them thing I see.
Now bring it up back.
Yeah, come up.
Yeah. I start recording. But the water so rough, look at me there for come back next day.
But how you get to see?
I can't see it up on the screen.
Like, you see the water here?
See the water this. But I want to see it. Truth I move so much, it's hard for really, you know?
Yeah. Oh, you're sinking?
Yeah. And what them think? Now go back down lower. Oh, I can see the ground. Watch that rock from side to side, dog. That rock too much. You record upon this? Oh, yeah. You see, you can see the ground though. Watch that rock too much, you see?
The wave?
Yeah, the wave. I'll bring it up back. Oh, can I see the gun? There's one fish there.
Keep on a ride, the wave just keep on having.
Yeah, I want that. Oh, you go back. Go back. I want that.
What you see?
See that dog?
What?
What them something there? What them something in the water?
Over here, sir?
You don't see it there?
Point on the screen, which one?
See it there, you don't see that?
Oh shit.
Shit,
Oh,
go
yeah.
up. I don't want to get stuck on that. Damn, I have to come back here that early morning. When the water calm, lay down flat. I make it stay up on top. Alright people, so as you can see, the water is way too rough for the drone. Because it will show clear on thing where I see the bottom of the water, but it keep on a rock from side to side too hard. So So I basically have no control over the drone. And if I'm going forward and going backwards and going up and down, I can't get a steady shot or a steady view of the ground. But we did manage to identify an obstacle, more than one obstacle in the water. And maybe that my magnet did stuck pan. So I have to come back here tomorrow in the early morning when the water really calm and the breeze now blow, and then try again. I think I get a better advantage away there. So we're gonna wrap up the video yourself for now and tomorrow. So I'll just see you back tomorrow. Alright people, so this is how the water should look. But this is how we didn't want the water to look in the first place. But now the water look murky. I forgot to rainfall yesterday, no? Yeah. Rain did fall yesterday after we leave. So the water kinda dirty. But we'll put the drone in the same way and see what can go on. See if we can see nothing. Alright people, so we're there for day number 2. Yesterday as you can see, the water was really rough and the air was really windy. So now we're there the next day in the early morning. The only problem is rainfall yesterday, so the water kind of murky. But we're gonna put in the drone same way and see if we have no visibility and so we can go on. So I'll get started now. You see it? I almost get up on camera. Alright people, so the setup for this is really simple. I'm gonna please connect them two wire here. Connect these 2 wires. One go here so, and the next one go here so. And that's it. And it's good to go. Just turn this on and ready for go. Simple. So I'm there so I do my video and that man here just come put this here so and then walk and then go over there so go sit down. I don't know why. But anyways, I just saw me yesterday so I'm gonna move. Reload some of the wire them now. And just flash it in. Reload some more.
On it and everything.
So the water definitely look murky. Yesterday the water is more visible than this. I try to go down lower and see if we can see the ground. So now I have to be impossible. Yeah. So I see the ground now. I see this metal object on the ground. The ground actually it's visible. So we can commence the mission searching for the magnet. I don't remember exactly which part it gets stuck. I think I somewhere out more. So I go up more and see what I can see. So the visibility has improved. And we're still at search. We're still at search right now. The bottom of the water actually flat and not have not much dead air. I say a couple of fishes, but say one fish so far, one barracuda. I swim with me, but him gone now. When me gone, oh, what is this? Yo, what is? Is that mat this? I'm gonna look up here. Oh, what is? Yo, may I see one? What is? May I see a mat? I'm going closer. I'm going up here and going closer and look down some more. The water keeping a bit more back. Go back in closer. now, people. If you can tell me what, if you can guess and tell me what it is, let me know. Yeah, because this looks suspicious. This definitely looks suspicious, you know. Still no sign of the magnet yet, though. Alright, people, so I completely forget I was supposed to keep the audio going on the spot and I didn't. So now I do a voiceover. Anyways, this is some kind of stone, I assume. Some kind of stone, some kind of marine life, you know. And I scroll through, that is a plate. Let's believe that is a plate. You can tell it's been there for the longest while. Anyways, I scroll through and what I'm about to say, wait, this is a, I have no idea, but I think I need to go back and try get it out of the water when I get back a new magnet. What do you think about that? Yeah, I think I'm gonna try to do that. I think I'm gonna try close up on it to try to see it better. Oh no, I'm gonna go right past it. Alright, anyways, there are some fishes. I barely see any fish in the water. I really did I expect to see a lot of fishes in the water. Like at least every direction I turn, I expect to see fish. But unfortunately, I barely see none, you know. Anyways, I'm saying we can skip out some of this. Here is the carpet again. I guess it's just a random carpet or towel or sheet. Yeah, I assume, you know. It's kind of scary, but you know, I try to get as much of it as possible on the camera before we move on from it. Alright, so this is me now heading even further out into the water. That is some kind of radar pole on the ground, but this is me heading even further out into the deep abyss, you know. And I was completely surprised with what I saw because I never expected. Yeah, I know say a waterfront in a downtown. I'm not sure what that means right now. But yeah, I know it's a waterfront in a downtown, so if I expect anything. But I honestly never did expect what we are about to see because if I want to see from the shoreline from what I did there earlier, you know, never expect to see not much than what I say now. Alright, look at this. That is garbage. Garbage, you know, please. I must say, alright. Never expect to see that, but it is there. Couple glass buckle and thing, you know, plastic box. I'm sorry, at one and two plastic fork, plastic buckle, not plastic buckle, glass bottle in the water. I'm sorry, not a big deal. Let's continue the search. There's a metal rod, there's a glass bottle, and then bam, more plastic box, food box, glass bottles. Yes, and garbage and this man, I guess 1 and 2 garbage are in there, yes. So as I proceed, again, you know, I think right here, I wonder what is up on the ground, but I couldn't make much of it, so you know, I just eventually move on from it. I'm gonna start go out even further, only to see even more garbage. Look at that. Even more garbage, you know. Look at that. Just look at that. I feel I don't like seat none at all. I hate seat. Just garbage on top of garbage, garbage everywhere. And this are out further in the water, and I never expect to see all this out there in the water. After my day I say the water is clean and flat and nice, you know. I was wrong. It looked clean, well at least it appeared to be clean, but not clean at all. Far from clean. This is a maybe plate. Yeah, I assume it's a metal plate, you know. But at this point I completely forget about the magnet and the search for the magnet. I just did really surprise and feel disgust. This I was in disgust of how the bottom of the water look. You know, this no look good at all. I know this not get clean, you know. I know say this not gonna get clean up, and me not gonna clean it up. You see, if I did a river and thing where it kind of manageable, even I take the time out and maybe do a video, do I want to clean up, but not for that one here. Not for that deep body of water here. Back at it again. This is a different spot, and yeah, this is a completely different spot, and see there, even more garbage, plastic, especially plastic. Look at that, everywhere. And this is just a small portion of where I made a search with the drone. Imagine if me did go like, yeah. So imagine if me did go like the other parts of downtown, and even just in that spot. Imagine if me did go search even further. Yeah, we do a good look with driver, but no sir. Look at this, people. Look at this. This don't look good. And you know who do this? You see the same people that always complain about they need justice, and I said the government care for them, and them drain block and them also flood, and them road are flood out and potholing on the road. And them same one litter the water like this. Them same one litter the water like this. Because the drain can only block if something is blocking it, and what usually block the drain them is the garbage with them put on the ground. You know, you're not gonna see drain a block uptown. And the people that actually throw them garbage, them actually throw it away, bag it up and throw it away. Versus them don't get to know, them just throw it in the water, or them just throw it again and just make it disappear. And when it don't disappear, them cuss and go on. And them and do this, I cause that upon themselves. As this don't look good at all. At this point, the video is no longer about searching for the magnet. Yeah. But, you know, let me know in the comments. Talk to me in the comments when you think about this. Let me know if you want to see me do more videos like this. Downtown is a big area. We can search even more so we can find maybe we might see other random things I wouldn't expect to see. But for now in this video, we are just looking at garbage. Yeah. What else do you want to say? I think we just passed all this a while ago. Alright people, so far the search is it not go well. The search is not going well. So we see different things other from the magnet, but I see no rope, the magnet or anything like that. But the things we see, all the things we see is garbage, pollution. You know, all the things we see is garbage and pollution, and that is not good. You know, that means I'm have to do more video when I search other water bottom through the line all the way down. Yeah. We'll take one more sweep go across and then see if I can see nothing, and then pull it in back. Yeah. Alright, I think right here I see something that looks like a rope, but I couldn't tell. But when I try to take a good look, it looks like a rope, you know, I think that is a rope. But it could be an iron rope, you know? And even to add to it, the rope never continue further. So I guess maybe look past it eventually. But you know, when I see no sign of the magnets so far, when I say something, yeah, all the sign I see is something that looks like a rope, but it is not a rope. Yeah. So while me I go through, I buck up on a one baby barracuda, then that's it for him. Yeah, I think right here, sir, I stumble upon this object that is round, and it look like could have looked like, well, it almost looked like the magnet, because it have some ropes around it. So it kind of stuck yourself for a while, can I say? Wonder if I had magnet this and something like a sea urchin egg or a sea urchin, the in the center of the magnet right there. So somebody kind of stuck yourself and look on it really good. But as I said, the hook, it was the magnet and a hook together. So want to see the magnet by itself without the hook. So that's why I know what to miss out that definitely not it. And then at the same time, them things they look like a rope. It is a rope, but it's like an iron rope. So definitely not what me I look for. But that's the closest my sister far will look like. Oh look there, 2 padlock. That's the closest thing my sister far where could have look like the magnet, but I know it. Yeah. Oh, and I crab there right there up on the stone if you see it as well. Mad. Alright, so right here, I see this object. I see something looking like a wheel. And I assume it's a wheel, like, you know, if it's a bike, this like an old bike, you know, an old bike or something. People, tell me in the comments if you can identify this object. Because it's gonna show what that be, but you know, it is there. Oh wait, no one rope that looks like a rope. I just glimpsed just now on the ground. You know what's my fool, you know? No, I watch the video, I actually see a rope, but the rope not continue. And that's the thing now. Oh, see a fishing line there. If you not see it good, or if you can see it good, that is a fishing line just now. And then a plastic fork and plastic cover. But yeah, no magnet inside, no rope inside, or no hook inside, because me have the magnet with a hook at the same time, and two of them get stuck in the water one time. So show me. So the conclusion is somebody found the rope on my hide and use it, trace the magnet, and just take it out of the water and keep it for themselves and do. I don't know what I use it though. If I use it for my YouTube video, I go find them and take my magnet. Someone know them I use it though. But anyways, at least to try with search. As I can say, the water is very polluted. I never expect that. No man. I never expect for the water to be so polluted. But you see it for yourself for the first time, yeah, sir. Let me know in the comments if you want to see me search out the entire stretch and waterfront. Where they right now is probably this building, they show this building. Yeah, we only search here, so which probably this building there. Imagine if you go search even dug more until it finish. Imagine what you can see or find. So let me know in the comments. If you want to buy me a magnet, buy me back a magnet and a hook, it really cheap, let me know. I want to buy some more magnets so because them get stuck really easy. So any help at all that we accept it, you know? Yeah. Alright, Mark.